Hi friends, welcome back. This is Prashant and today we are going to be cover Docker basic commands. So before that you need to be installed Docker on your system. So for that I already cover in my one video Docker installation on Ubuntu. The link is given in description below. So please go through that. So today we are going to be cover Docker version which will be used to find out what version we have been installed in our system. This is Docker pull used for pulling an image. This is Docker run used for running a container. PS will give us a list of container. PS-a will give a all list of all container. Exec used for access the container, and stop and kill used for stopping and killing a container. RM is also used for remove a container. Images will give a list of images, and RMI will help us to remove images. And inspect will give a detailed information regarding the image. Okay, guys. First command will go as a Docker version. So Docker version, if you see here, actually it will give us a whole information like a Docker server version as well as client one. So we'll use more for here. Okay, can you see here Docker client, what client version is installed here and what server version is installed. Okay, so and if you want to see in a short form, you can just give hyphen Docker version. So it will tell you what current version it has been installed. Okay, so next command will go to see is Docker images. So Docker images basically give us a list of images which we have been pulled or can say downloaded. So here I downloaded or pulled one image that is HTTPD. You can see here with tag latest and its image ID. So now we will see how we could download a image. Here use Docker pull image pull and we'll go to download a Ubuntu image. So basically we pull the images from a Docker hub. So I will show you where it has been downloaded. So we have to type Docker hub here. If you click, then Docker hub will be open, and if you go Explorer, I will type Ubuntu since we need to download Ubuntu image. Okay, and you can see here Docker official images. So generally recommended is you should download or pull a Docker official image, so it will be more secure. And if you see here various tags are available. Tags refer basically version here. So we'll go with 20.04. We'll go on again our terminal and we'll give 20.04. I will just press a enter. You can see here it's pulling a command, pulling the image, and pull has been completed. So Docker images again we'll see, yeah, Ubuntu 20.04 is pulled. Okay, so now we have an image and we need to run a container from that particular image. So we'll see how we can do that. For that we have a command docker run. Okay, we have to use IT option, that is we can say it's a interactive mode. Okay, and -d is a detachable, so we have to detach a container, and here hyphen hyphen name. So it is used for assign a name for that particular container. So we'll give my app space and we'll give a image Ubuntu and tag. So another thing is, if you didn't give a tag, then by default it will take as a latest tag. Okay, we'll press enter. Now you can see here image id is created. So for listing container we can use docker ps. We will do docker ps and enter. You can see running a container. So this is the image which we used for that container, created on 18-second back and up since from 18 second, and this is name. Okay, we whatever we have given while creating the container. So this is my app, and next is we'll see command exec. So by using a exec command we can access a container. So for that we will use exec hyphen it iterative mode. Okay, uh, before that we'll see the container name my app. Okay, docker exec hyphen it. We have to give a container name or either container id, and you have to give a path of bash. Okay, and if you see, now we are inside a container. You can see here root as well as sys id is coming. So basically we are in this container, so you can whatever you want to install, you can install the packages or your application inside a container, and you can use that thing that one. Now we'll do exit. Now we'll see. Okay, now we'll see the command how we can stop this container. So for that we need to use a stop command, docker stop. We have to give a name either or id. So docker ps, you can see there is no container available here, hyphen a. Yeah, this hyphen as I told you, this will show all container, like this is exited state, so it's display here. But if you see here, only if you use a ps, it will show you only on the running container, running state container. So here hyphen a will show you all container. Okay, this is stop container, and you can start as well. Now it should come in ps. Yeah, it's coming and it's running now. We'll kill this container by using a kill command. Docker ps. It will not display here. Let's check on ps hyphen a. Yes. Difference between kill and stop is like when you use a stop, it will shut down normally and stop a container. But in the case of kill, it will send a signal and kill it and exit is or stop it abnormally basically. Docker ps hyphen a. Let's see how we can remove this container from here. For that, you have to use docker rm. Rm is used for remove container. Either you have to give a id or name. So this time we'll try with id. Can you see now? It's returning a id. And we'll use again ps hyphen a. We can't see here now. So we'll try to run again another container docker ps. It's coming. Let's try to delete this container by using rm command. Earlier we removed a container which was in exited state. Now this is the container which is in running state. We are trying to remove container which is in running state. So let's see how we can remove this container. Okay. So can you see the error? You cannot remove running container. So for that we have to use one option. Say that force. We have to remove forcefully. Huh? It has been removed now. We'll type docker ps. It's not listing here. We'll see images. We'll see how we can remove images. So for that we have to use docker rmi image name colon its tag, or you can give id directly. Okay, now it has removed image. Docker, I'll do clear screen for you. Docker images. Okay, images is removed. Now you can see only one image, that is httpd. Now next command is docker inspect. It basically used for like understanding a more detail about image. So we'll give image name after inspect command, inspect, and press enter. Okay, sorry, now we'll use more so we can display everything. So if you see here, you can like a lot of information is available regarding the image. Volume, attach, and environment, architecture, and this is the like file system layer. Basically is in the form of stack, so we are not going to see in detail. Okay. So friends, now we have seen how we can pull an image, how we can run a container, and how we can go inside a container, as well as how we can check a detail about image in descriptive form. So thank you guys and keep watching.